Welcome to Learn AI channel. In this video, I will upscale a low-quality, low-resolution pixelated image. Start by opening Chrome and searching for Image Upscaler on Google. Click on the I Love IMG website to access the image upscaling tool. Drag and drop your low-resolution photo onto the website to upload it. After uploading, the tool shows a side-by-side comparison of the original and enhanced images. Choose to upscale the image by 4x by clicking the Upscale button, then wait as it processes. Once processed, click on the Download Upscaled Image button to save the high-quality version. And by inviting viewers to subscribe and share the video. Thank viewers for watching.